Salesflare versus OnePageCRM, which one is best for simple sales pipelines? If you're looking for a straightforward tool to manage your sales without the fluff, you've probably stumbled across these two. But which one will actually get the job done without all the complexity? I'm about to break them down, and I'll let you know which is my personal recommendation after putting both through their paces. First thing, let's talk about Salesflare. It's a CRM designed with simplicity in mind, and one of its strongest points is its automation. It helps track your emails, connects to your calendar, and even logs meetings automatically. Salesflare's strength lies in its integrations, allowing you to connect all your tools seamlessly. If you use Google Workspace or Office 365, you're going to feel right at home here. Next thing, One-Page CRM. One-Page CRM markets itself as the simplest CRM for managing sales, and they're not wrong. Its interface is clean, focusing on what really matters, the sales pipeline. One-Page CRM is more task-oriented, and every contact has a clear, actionable next step. This makes it really easy to focus on moving deals forward. It's ideal for smaller teams who want to stay laser-focused on a smaller set of tasks rather than an entire sales process. The third thing to consider is pricing. Salesflare isn't cheap, but it offers more advanced features and automation, so it's worth it if you need that. One-Page CRM, on the other hand, is more affordable, making it a solid option for small businesses or individual users who are just getting started. But you might miss out on some of the deep integrations Salesflare offers, which could be a deal breaker depending on your needs. Next up, usability. While Salesflare's interface is intuitive, it might take some time to get used to all the features it offers. There's a bit of a learning curve, especially if you're not familiar with CRMs. One-Page CRM keeps things super simple, which is great for people who don't want to spend hours figuring out how to use it. But simplicity can also limit the flexibility you get in customizing your workflows. The fifth thing is customer support. Both tools offer solid customer service, but Salesflare has a slight edge. They offer live chat support, which is a nice bonus when you need a quick answer. One-Page CRM support is also helpful, but the lack of live chat might slow things down if you have an urgent issue. So here's the twist. After trying both Salesflare and One-Page CRM, I can say they both have their pros and cons. They are both solid options for a simple sales pipeline, but if you're looking for a better alternative, I have a recommendation. The software I'm about to suggest has a simpler setup, excellent pipeline management, and unbeatable value for money. If you want to take your simple sales pipeline to the next level, take advantage of the free trial linked in the description. Through our link, you'll get access to an exclusive deal that's not available anywhere else. Don't miss out on this opportunity to streamline your sales process and start closing deals more efficiently today.